Hi, my sweet son. Today I am making for you rice and I will make it for you. Do you like rice? I know it's your favorite dish. Oh, stop playing with rice. Don't throw this rice down. My sweet and my honey, my small kid. You are my partner. I am all the time having fun with you. You have completed my life. Your presence make me complete. Today I am gonna make a very delicious meal for you. And now I'm washing it. And now I'm gonna on my stove. Yes, I will make food for you. It would be really tasty and really delicious. It will make your body strong. I will put all these ingredients in it. First of all, I will just blend these all ingredients in it and then I will put inside the pot. Now I am just adding some oil so that I can make this dish more tasty and delicious. My son, this is a nice and tasty and healthy meal. Of course, the meal which we can make at home is good for your health. I know it's your growing age and it's really required and necessary for your bones and your brain. That's why I never rely on made ready-made foods, but I can make everything at home for you. Oh, wow, it's ready. Delicious taste. You can taste it. Do you like it? Yummy and tasty meal. My dear friends, do you like my recipe? Can you taste it? So you can make this at home for your kids and enjoy the same meal. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for these type of more videos.